Hello everyone, my name is Carol Robinson and I'm the chair of the Integrated Marine Biosphere Research Project, or IMBeR. I'd like to welcome you to this first IMBeR West Pacific Symposium on scientific and sustainability issues relevant to the changing West Pacific Ocean. As many of you know, IMBeR was created by the International Geosphere Biosphere Programme, IGBP, and the Scientific Committee on Oceanic Research, SCORE, in 2005. And for the first 5 years, it worked in parallel with the Global Ocean Ecosystem Dynamics Project, GLOBEC. When GLOBEC came to a close in 2009, the GLOBEC regional programmes Climate Impacts on Top Oceanic Predators, CLIOTOP, and Ecosystem Studies of Subarctic Seas, ESAS, joined ICED, Integrating Climate and Ecosystem Dynamics, and CYBER, Sustained Indian Ocean Biogeochemistry and Ecosystem Research, as IMBeR regional programmes. In 2014, the IMBeR community came together at the first Open Science Conference, Future Oceans, to discuss and formulate the science plan and implementation strategy for 2016 to 2025. When the IGBP ended in 2015, IMBeR became a global research project of Future Earth and continued as a large-scale research project of SCORE. IMBeR is administered through international project offices in Shanghai, China, and Halifax, Canada, with strategic science and management decisions made through an international scientific steering committee. IMBeR is a continually evolving organisation, embracing newly emerging research topics, such as our recently formed innovation challenges on interventions to mediate the impacts of climate change and the sustainable management of blue carbon ecosystems. This IMBeR West Pacific Symposium grew out of a series of 8 China, Japan, Korea symposia, which took place between 2002 and 2018, and continues the remit to advance our understanding of the marine biosphere and its impacts and linkages to human systems in the context of global change and sustainability. Scientists using research facilities located around the rim of the West Pacific and East Indian Oceans have played and continue to play a significant role in our understanding of the interactions between marine ecosystems and human systems. So this symposium is a time to celebrate your scientific achievements, sharing your insight with fellow researchers on a range of topics from marine biogeochemistry and diversity, coastal blue carbon and oceanic top predators, to coral reef resilience, forecasting and managing the risks of marine extreme events, and examining the nutrition and value chains of dried small fish. It's a time for creating networks among like-minded individuals and developing future international research programs. And it's also a time to inspire, encourage, and empower the next generation of marine researchers and governance decision makers. So I wish you every success in these endeavours. Finally, on behalf of all participants of the IMBeR West Pacific Symposium, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our generous sponsors and supporters: SCORE, Future Earth, the UN Ocean Decade, the State Key Laboratory of Estuarine and Coastal Research, the East China Normal University, the Korea Polar Research Institute, the University Malaysia Sarawak, the Ocean Frontier Institute, Dalhousie University, and IMBeR, the Marine Environmental Observation Prediction and Response Network. But particularly, I would like to thank Fang, Ji, and Kai, the IPO staff in Shanghai, for their superb preparations for this symposium. I wish you a very successful meeting. Thank you.